Clips ASMR, back here with a new video, and I should say a new series. So today for this new series, we are going to be opening up the Ascended Years booster bundle, and instead of opening up the entire bundle for the video, we will actually just be doing a singular pack. This is just to make it kind of simpler, quicker, and just hitting a singular pack each day. Also, I did try to record the ETB videos. I wanted to say, you guys, I apologize. I tried to record 3 of these videos for you guys, and they all turned out terrible. I can't do a separate video or a short for you guys showing you all the cards I pulled through those, but I do want to apologize through that. I also want to know that we will have a profit tracker here in the top left and right. The left will be our negative and how much we spent for this bundle, and then our right will be how much we made from just the singular pack, and then we'll subtract that or add it to, I should say we should add it to the negative and see if we can just come out